Hello, I'm Alan Blakemore for Miller's Professional Imaging, and this is the Hosting Quick Start video.
The purpose of this video is to quickly get you started and therefore covers the bare minimum information you need to post your first gallery. The first step in the gallery creation process is to create your online package set for the gallery. You will want to double check that this is correct prior to building the gallery since it cannot be fully modified on the site. Be sure that you only add items that make sense online. For instance, do not add a not too late to order insert to this package set. At the top of the screen, go to the Manage menu and select Manage Packages. In the menu that appears below, select Create New Package Set. Give this set a name that makes sense to you. You can now add items to your first package. Now you'll set its retail value. It's up to you to make sure that this is higher than the base price. Now you can save this package and add as many more as you want. The next step in the process is to create a new order. We will give this order a name which is similar to what we will name the gallery. We will now assign a package set for the order. This does not need to match the package set that you are going to offer online. Now we'll select to add Miller's Hosting. Since this studio has not used pre-order or hosting before, we will go through the initial setup process. If you have already set up your account, you can skip this step. If no marketplace account is found for your studio, you will see this prompt. To start setup, click the appropriate button here. First, fill out the information on this page. Be sure that the email address you use here is monitored. The system uses this to send you notifications. Now you can log in using your new credentials. You will now be at the landing page where you can select Hosted Galleries. Since our account is not set up, the site will take us to the Settings page. On this page, we will connect our Stripe account. If you do not yet have an account with Stripe, you will need to visit stripe.com and create an account prior to this step. If your connection to Stripe was successful, you will now see a Disconnect Stripe button at the bottom of the screen. Now we can configure the URL where our customers will go to place their orders. This should only be set once and is the same for pre-orders and hosting. Once we are done, we can hit the Save button and then go back to Remote Suite Plus to finish entering our order. We will give this gallery a name, assign a package set, choose to password protect each subject, and since we're cropping in the build step, we're going to choose to pass crop settings. We will discuss the batch order settings in its own video. Now we'll import some data. Now we will move on to discuss the group assignment page. If you are offering group images online, you need to make sure to set them up here. There's a separate video in the Help menu titled Group Management Page if you are unfamiliar with this step. Now we will move on to add our individual images. These are added in the same manner as a standard print job. Since we chose to use the individual password protection, the value in the event code field will be used by your customer to access their image. Now that we are done adding images, we will move on to review and submit the order. Once this job is uploaded to Miller's, any services such as Green Screen Knockout that are required will be completed and the job will be uploaded to the site. Now that the job is uploaded and we've given it time to process, Let's go to the site and look at our new gallery. We can find the studio management URL right here on the hosting setup page. Let's log in and then click on Hosted Galleries. Now we can choose the gallery we just uploaded. Go to Publish Gallery and publish the gallery.
This view is known as your gallery control panel, and there will be several other videos that cover each of these tabs.
Now that the gallery is published, it's ready for your customers to order. However, let's go to the settings page and double check that our URL is correct before giving out any information. Here is the web address that the customer would need to visit in order to order from this studio. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.